Miranda, Venezuela, Wednesday, November 20, 2024. Heavy rains that have hit parts of the state of Miranda have caused flooding, specifically on the route to Turumo via San Isindro, Sucre city, especially after the tunnel, on Wednesday, November 20, 2024. As a result, several vehicles were trapped in the flood. The incident has caused obstacles that endanger traffic. Law enforcement, firefighters and civil protection authorities are already on the scene and are appealing to all motorists not to use this route until further notice, to prevent accidents or greater complications.
Taking